Single story living can be yours. Come out this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 4 at 23231 Cheswald Drive here in the Crown Valley Highlands in Laguna Niguel. This home, as I said, single story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Everything's been really nicely done in terms of new kitchen, new bathroom, new flooring, new paint, new windows, new landscape, new hardscape. You gotta come see it. I'll be there 1 to 4 Saturday and Sunday. Come check us out. Be glad you did. Thank you for viewing 23231 Cheswald Drive. For further information, or schedule your own private showing, call the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Laguna Niguel and California.